Let me tell you something. When God tells you where to go and when to go, just be obedient because you just never know how the blessings will manifest themselves on that path and when you arrive. Y'all want to see what I'm talking about? Stay tuned.
Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook.
All right, so listen, last year when I was looking, my husband was getting ready to prepare for surgery, and we weren't sure whether or not he was going to have to fully come out of work. I felt it prudent at that time to go ahead and take on a 9 to 5, work from home so that I could, one, be here to assist him, two, be here for my child who has always been schooled at home. He's never been in a brick and mortar school. And three, to make sure that that money stayed coming in, you know. Up until this point, I've been a work from home mom, but I have not had to, punch a clock per se. I've done real estate and I've have other streams of income coming in, but to ensure that every bill gets paid, sometimes it's best to go back to what will work, even if it's for a short period. But nevertheless, so I prayed about it and I asked God to order my steps and to show me where He wanted me to go, what would be beneficial to me, and something that He knows I would be of service at, right? So He led me to the company that I'm at. And since I've been there, even before I came, before my first day, this company has showered its employees with all types of gifts. Now, granted, it is a small business, not small meaning it's not a large corporation. It is not located in my state, but it does its work throughout the continental United States. It's in every state, Alaska and Hawaii included. So even before I started my first day, there was like a welcome basket with all these little trinkets in it. I can't remember if I shared it here on the channel. For the holidays, we always get some type of a gift. I mean, and they're not like inconsequential gifts. They're usually something that you actually like. And or there's gift cards sent out, there's thank you gifts sent out, and it's those things that, while you do get a paycheck because that's what you're there for, so you are being compensated for the time that you're at work, it is those little gifts, those little tokens of appreciation and gratitude that do make you feel seen and valued as an employee. So that being said, this is one of the items. This is the item that I picked out that they sent me. And I'm sharing it with you as just a testimony of what obedience bears, the fruit that obedience bears. Because when God told me to apply to a job, I applied. When He told me to apply for another job, I did. And this is the job that I've been at for almost a year now. So I think I don't have any complaints about this company or the work that I do. It is fast paced, only because it deals with bank owned properties, and it's a lot of volume, it's a lot of communication. But that said, because it is an extension of what my background is in, I enjoy it. It's something that I know how to do. It merges my real estate background with my financial background, with my home improvement family business background. So, it's a good blend of experience and knowledge, and I still get a chance to learn. I'm learning every day. And so this is what I picked out because our company received the Best Place to Work award again. And they just wanted to thank us for enabling them to be an employer or a company that would be recognized as such. Okay, let me stop rambling and just get into it. Now, this Sweet Happiness Delivered is by a company called Sugar Wish. And I think they may offer their services to corporations, large organizations. Anyways, so we have the Primrose Petals Seed Sprouting Kit by Modern Sprout. And it's nicely packaged. What we have here? In what appears to be something like a terracotta pot. Inside of it are what I believe to be the items that I will be using to grow my own little beautiful flowers. All right, we've got some sort of soil, I'm assuming. Non-GMO seeds, plant fertilizer, and then this. I was looking to see if I had anything to take it out with, but I don't need it. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe some type of a root growing system. I don't know, but I got that because I don't know if you guys can see that fine little thread there. Anyways, so we've got this cute little planter. And what I'll do is I'll get this started and, post on the community tab what this is looking like in maybe a week or two. So stay tuned for that. Check the community tab. I'm so excited. Primrose petals. And then there is directions on the back. Prep, expand, plant, and grow. I don't know anything about the company, but here we have it. Modern Sprout. Sugar Wish is the company that offered that. So I'm not sure if that's something they offer to the general public, but you're more than welcome to head over to their website. Let's see if they've got one. sugarwish.com and see what they have available. Obviously, this is not sponsored because it is clearly a gift. But that's a wonderful, wonderful way to show your team, your employees, that you appreciate them. So looking forward to that. Now, if this video is something that you're still sitting here watching, you obviously liked it, hit the thumbs up button. And for those who are returning subscribers, thanks so much for continuing to support the channel, for your likes, your comments, your feedback, your encouraging words, and for also encouraging one another. Now, listen, if you want to support this channel in more ways, feel free to hit the link to our Patreon. That is where all of these videos are featured first. There are some exclusive videos there. You are also, once you're a member, have access to the digitals that I create exclusively for my Patreon members, as well as handmade freebies. So every month there's a freebie. Sometimes it's a digital, sometimes it's a handmade piece of art created by yours truly. Either way, that is just a way of me showing my appreciation for you guys showing up for me and sharing your love for the creativity that we all love. Now, with that being said, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. And until we're back here together on Patreon first and YouTube right after, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting, and bloom where you're planted. I'm so clever. Bye now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.